Welcome to Markets and Matchup, your weekly dose of finance and footy.
We'll be starting with a wrap-up of the markets and then diving in to the footy tipping comp as well as round one.
Don't forget to get your tips in to BPC's footy tipping comp. Prizes and bragging rights are on the line. On to the markets. The major theme and impact you will notice throughout this update are the trade wars initiated by US President Donald Trump. Trump's confirmation of new tariffs in Mexico, Canada and China has dominated market sentiment. These actions led to declines in US stocks and commodity prices, as well as retaliatory measures from global trading partners. There's been significant volatility in both US and Australian markets, the US market particularly impacted by the uncertainty surrounding Trump's trade policies, while the Australian market felt pressure from global growth concerns. So iron ore, copper and base metals saw price declines due to these tariffs and economic slowdowns, while gold rose as a safe haven asset amid a weaker US dollar and trade uncertainty, and oil fluctuated due to geopolitical tensions and OPEC decisions. So onto geopolitical, the US and Ukraine were preparing to sign a minerals deal, offering some optimism amid geopolitical tensions, though the situation remained volatile. As for the Australian dollar, this remained weak against the US dollar, influenced by global market concerns and again the impact of US tariff announcements. Overall, the week was marked by trade-related uncertainties, commodity price volatility, and market reactions to US political developments.
Let's jump into something a little more exciting with the footy and our tipping comp. Round one brought some big upsets, especially for you with the Wars. How are you feeling about that?
Yeah, it was a tough watch. But look, it was our first game, and as you know, it's our year. It's always our year. Yep. So we're going to build.
Oh,
yeah.
But you flew all the way to Vegas just to lose. Bit disappointing.
It is, but they had a good time, I'm sure.
So, I'm sure they did. Okay.
Yep.
Next week's their week. Penrith continued their dominant run with a close game up against the Sharks. My standout players for this week were Nathan Cleary, of course, and Matthew Tomoko from the Canberra Raiders. Any for you?
Mine were two Wars boys, Roger Tuivasa-Sheck and Fisher Harris. So big ups to those boys.
Yeah, even though they lost.
Yeah.
That's okay. We'll remain positive.
Yeah. So who's your pick for this week, Scarlett?
I'm excited to see how Jerome Luai plays for the Tigers. I'm a Penrith girl, so I'm hoping to see how he goes. Even though we miss him.
Yeah, is that a sting to...
It is.
To
all the boys
Harham
have been
movie?
split up, especially with Crichton in Bulldogs, Jerome Luai. Yeah. But it's fine.
What's your favourite thing about Luai?
My favourite thing about Luai is that he's won 4 premierships and been in 5, which is, I think, more than the Warriors.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little bit more.
For now, yes.
A quick shout out to everyone who tipped in round one, especially number 1, MD is number 1, and number 2, Schmuck. Thank you so much for tipping, and we'll hope to see you next week as well. This weekend, who are you keeping an eye on for round 2?
Yeah, big game. We've got the Storm Eels.
Yeah. Josh Adokar and the Eels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, it'll be a great game. But I'm a bandwagoner, so I'm jumping on the Storm.
Oh, are you?
Yes.
Oh, you don't have any hope for the Eels?
No. And look, we got Jerome Hughes playing. So a fellow Kiwi, and I'm sure he'll do us proud. Yeah,
for sure.
So that's it for this week's Markets and Matchup.
Make sure you lock in your tip for BBC's footy tipping comp for round 2 and tune in next week for more finance and footy insights. We'll also be announcing our big prize, so stay tuned. Follow us for more updates and good luck with our tips. If you would like to join our tipping comp, the link is below.
Thanks, everyone. Look, if you haven't already joined our tipping comp, get in now. It's not too late, and make sure you get signed up.